Hey guys, it's me, Chip from Eon Auto here in Cocoa, Florida. So, I'm a motorcyclist. That's what I do every chance I get. We just got in a Dodge Caravan, which is a mobility van. It's got a ramp in the back to get access to a wheelchair in and out. And I couldn't help but think this would be a great vehicle to transport a motorcycle in. I could be wrong, but I'm about to try and stick my motorcycle in the back of this van. So one of two things are going to happen. One, I'm either going to find a great way to haul a motorcycle, or I'm going to crash and burn, and it's going to be hilarious. So stay tuned and see what happens. Thanks. Well guys, what do you think of that? I just found a new transport vehicle for a motorcycle. So, if you think you have a need for a motorcycle transport vehicle, why don't you give us a call here at area code 321-848-0046. Guys, we'll be talking to you real soon. Bye.